Remember my guava tree? Look at the flowers. Now we don't have flowers that much. We actually have mini guavas. So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to turn around and you'll start seeing guavas. Look at my little guavas. They're growing. And I can't wait for these guavas because I love guavas. They have this unique taste. So that's my guava tree. The only problem we had was ants, but I put turmeric on these branches to get rid of the ants because I don't like pesticides. So you can see loads of guavas growing on this tree.